Good afternoon, and thank you for clicking on the video. My name's MacBlogs, aka Ian, and tonight, I am staying at the Big Blue Hotel, which is at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, and I am doing a Halloween weekend this weekend. So if you've followed me for the last couple of videos, this is my day 3 from a 3-day kind of tour for doing the Halloween events. So tonight I am at the Journey to Hell event at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. But since I'm staying at this room, I thought I would give you all a tour. It's good to know just to plan in advance, especially coming with a family. I never booked this room, so just to give you an idea, I just booked in a room for myself. I was then upgraded for free to a family room, and then they gave me a park view as well, which I'm going to show you, which is pretty cool for a family, for anyone, like a big kid like me. You can see the rides going by as well, so we'll have a look at that in a moment. But yeah, hopefully this helps. There's a lot of cool things in this room, and location, everything else. The parking, on-site parking, is £15 for the day or for the 24 hours. So just to remember adding that onto your budget if you're looking to park at the hotel. I don't know if you can hear the roller coaster going by behind me there. But let's have a look at the room. I'm sitting on a chair in the corner just now, so let's have a little look. We'll start at the front door, the main door. First things first. You've got your door, emergency plan, little card in there, do not remove, keep the power on. As you come in straight away, my bag's here, you've got all this space. So, fantastic space, use of space, sorry. So, space there, bags, all the shelving, hand clothes up here. You've got my shoes. You've got all this space here as well. Ironing board and iron, hairdryer, little shelf. Yeah, great space. And since we're here, the kids' room, bunk beds. Little snakes and ladders here. Is it Blackpool themed, is it? Oh, it is, look. So you can play with some games there, look, there. Magnets. But not only that, you've got a TV for that level, and you've got a TV for the top bunk. You get lights there as well. Don't know if that's working just now. Ah, I'm being daft. So you've got a light switch on the top there, see it? Yeah. But not only that, look, PlayStation, remote controls and PlayStation. Got a game, dice. It's got a spongy. And you've got space under the bed. Put some bags as well. Yeah, cool room. I love it if I was a kid. Just love it just now. I might sleep in there tonight. And then we come into the main room. I've got this mirror here in the hallway. Yeah, thermostat for your heating. So, lights. You've got your dimmer switch here as well. That's for the main light. Oh, the spotlight's over there. Little corner desk with a TV on it, chair, shelving, more space here, another big desk, chair, plenty of power, so normal sockets. I don't see any USB points, but normal socket there as well. Lots of information for your stay. There's phone. Try to catch the shadow there. It's a really nice picture as well of Blackpool Pleasure Beach. some shelves here as well. I missed that there. You have all your teas, coffees. What that is there, what's that? Ooh, hot chocolate. Good touch. Obviously shortbread. Fantastic. Scotsman shortbread. Yep. And milk, plenty of milk. Obviously your kettle as well, so yeah. Good bonus. What I don't see is a fridge. You get the bedside tables as well. But would you have a look at this? How's that for timing? Perfect timing. The rain is on, to be fair, but they're still out there. Fair play to them. Yep. Great view. Bathroom is here. So, nice big spacious bathroom. All your normal things, to be fair. So, nice corner mirror there, towel radiator, towel rack, heating rack. I think that's the power for it there, so towel rail. Make sure you put that on if you want your towels warm. Shaver socket. What's that there? Is that a bottle opener? It is. Bottle opener. Got a bin here. Some tissues, extra towels. And you've got some soaps. And gels, got shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner. Tissues again. Some spare toilet roll. Nice little seal on it there. Same with that one there. Seal of approval. And then you've got a bath. And I step into the bath, shower. Not too bad. I mean, it's pretty basic. I think the next step would be for these type of hotels to upgrade to walk-in showers and everything else, but being a family room, a bath for kids, etc. So no, it's not a bad room, bad bathroom at all. But one thing I would add is maybe a better shower over here or something. But yeah, this is really nice room, nice and clean, no issues at all. So that's really it. Hopefully that helps. That was great timing for the ride going by. I think that was the Big Dipper. I know it was a Big Dipper because if you watched I know it sounds a bit strange there, but if you've watched my videos before, I actually walked the tracks of the Big Dipper. So if I remember, I'll put the link below. If not, you'll see it on my channel. It's called like walking the roller coaster tracks, something like that. And that was great. That was a fantastic experience. I think they do that, and the Blackpool, around Blackpool obviously, the big one, it's called the old Pepsi Max, so you can walk that one as well. But not me. Maybe one day. But yeah, you can have a look at that. But apart from that, this room has got everything you need, everything I need. Hopefully that tour has helped show. Sorry, just weird noises there. Don't know if it was me or not, but don't know if you can pick that up on the camera. Anyway, if you like this video, if you enjoy this video, you know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, all that kind of stuff. Let me know if you stayed here before. Give me some tips, get information for people who are looking to stay here. Anything that I've missed. If I do see anything that I've missed, I'll try and work it into the video somehow if it's after this outro. I will scan any useful information if it's here. I'm looking at the kind of leaflets just now, but it's all there, I'm pretty sure. If you're coming here for a reason. If not, then there's plenty of information out there for you to do the research. But yeah, main thing is, for me, myself, my experience, fantastic so far. So they allowed me to check in early. They upgraded my room for free. The car park, they let me park my car in because I checked in early. If I didn't, I would have been struggling to park somewhere, so thank you for that. Just remember the car parking fee is £15 per day that you're staying, so per 24 hours I think. I paid that up front, so I paid that at the check-in. So yeah, that's it. So I'm Mac Blogs, thank you for watching. Until next time, see you soon, bye bye.